Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2008 to 2016 Audi A4 and S4? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Instrument panel fuse box. The driver's side fuse box in the 2008 Audi A4 and S4 is located on the side of the dashboard, accessible when the driver's door is open. It manages power for interior functions such as the instrument cluster, lighting, infotainment, and seat controls. The driver's side fuse box in the 2010 Audi A4 and S4 powers key interior systems such as the instrument cluster, infotainment, and lighting. It also supports functions like power windows, seat controls, and central locking. The driver's side fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Audi A4 and S4 controls and protects vital interior electronics such as the instrument cluster, multimedia system, and cabin lighting. It also manages circuits for features like power windows, seat functions, and central locking. The driver's side fuse box in the 2013 Audi A4 and S4 manages electrical circuits for key interior systems, such as the instrument cluster, infotainment, and lighting. It also supports functions like power windows, seat adjustment, and central locking. The driver's side fuse box in the 2014 to 2016 Audi A4 and S4 controls and protects interior electronics such as the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and cabin lighting. It also powers features like power windows, seat adjustments, and central locking. The passenger side fuse box in the 2008 Audi A4 and S4 manages and protects circuits for interior comfort and convenience systems. It supports features such as the HVAC controls, glove box light, infotainment components, and power outlets. The passenger side fuse box in the 2010 Audi A4 and S4 powers and protects circuits for systems like the HVAC controls, infotainment components, glove box light, and auxiliary power outlets. It ensures reliable operation of various passenger side and comfort-related electrical features. The passenger's side fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Audi A4 and S4 controls electrical circuits for systems like the HVAC, infotainment, glove box light, and power outlets. It supports comfort and convenience features on the passenger side and ensures stable power delivery. The passenger side fuse box in the 2013 Audi A4 and S4 powers and protects circuits for systems like HVAC controls, infotainment, glove box light, and auxiliary outlets. It supports comfort and convenience functions for the passenger area. The passenger side fuse box in the 2014 to 2016 Audi A4 and S4 manages power distribution for systems like the HVAC controls, infotainment, glove box light, and accessory power outlets. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2008 Audi A4 and S4 controls and protects rear-end systems such as the power trunk, rear lights, parking sensors, and amplifier. It supports essential cargo area and rear electronics for convenience and safety. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2010 Audi A4 and S4 manages power for rear systems such as the power trunk, rear lights, parking sensors, and audio amplifier. It supports safe and efficient operation of cargo area electronics and comfort features. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Audi A4 and S4 distributes and protects power to rear-end systems such as the power trunk, rear lighting, parking sensors, and audio components. It helps ensure stable operation of cargo area and rear comfort features. This fuse box is essential for the reliable performance of rear electrical functions. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2013 Audi A4 and S4 powers and protects rear-end systems like the power trunk, rear lights, parking sensors, and audio amplifier. It ensures safe and consistent operation of cargo area electronics and convenience features. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2016 Audi A4 and S4 manages power distribution for rear systems such as the power trunk, tail lights, parking sensors, and audio amplifier. It supports the safe and reliable operation of cargo area electronics and convenience features. This fuse box plays a vital role in maintaining rear-end electrical functionality. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.